I'm smarter than you. And I'm gonna find out what I wanna know. And I'm gonna get it from you whether you like it or not.
My guess is you'll never hear from him again.
Stop stalling, Virgil.
I'm not stalling.
You know what I'm getting at.
Get out of my face.
You know what I'm getting
I
at.
got immunity. I don't have to take that.
You know.
And like that, he's gone.
So I just received the first samples of the AMD Radeon 7900 XTX, and this is from Powercolor. And when I opened the big box out, this came out with a handle and some interesting hinges, and I thought, I want to do this on video because this could be an interesting unboxing. So that's exactly what this is.
Looking for a cheap way to license your Windows? Check out Hookiees through the links in the video description. Make sure to use the code TN20 to get a 30% off. Paste the license to the activation settings and you're all done. This license is for Windows 10, but you can upgrade it to Windows 11 for free. They also offer Microsoft Office 19 license. Use the same code TN20 to get a 30% off. Check out Hookiees.com in the video description below.
What we have here is the Red Devil RX 7900 XTX 24GB GDDR6 OC Limited. So maybe this is limited edition, but the thing is there is actually a few different versions of this card. They've done like a few different designs of this, as you can see from some of the B-roll. So you can check out the website. I'm gonna link it in the description below as well, so you can see like the different designs that you can get from this graphics card. So let's undo the hinges. Okay, then this lid comes open. All right, we have, okay, Radeon 7900 XTX. Show us your rig. There's that. We've got a sag bracket here, depends how big you want it. And then that, we've got a few like a Red Devil badge on this side. Okay, I wonder what is inside here. Okay, so this looks like this is a backplate design. Very interesting. As you can see, there's still like a blow through here and a bit of metal. It's probably, yeah, magnet, so you can just magnetically put it in. I'm just gonna put that on the side and we'll have a look at that in a moment. Let's see what's underneath. Okay, okay, okay. Whoa. Okay. And then an RGB connector that goes directly to your motherboard. So like a 5-pin ARGB connector. Okay, this is quite a big card as well. So I guess this year we're unboxing some very big graphics cards. Okay, here it is. It's a 3-slot card, as you can see. 3 display ports, 1 HDMI port. Quite a thick thermal design here. The fans are still quite skinny actually. And from this side we have some good news. Obviously we've got 3 8-pin PCIe connectors. There's an interesting corner design here of this as well, which is interesting. BIOS switch in here, OC on the left and silent on the right. They have said that on the review guide that actually on the silent, it's not pushing that much power through and the performance per watt is better on the silent mode, but I'm really interested in how much is the max power of this card. Now I love the kind of matte brushed finish of this metal. It's very, very nice. You can see this is an RGB model here, and I'll put some P-roll in here as well, so you can see like what this card looks like when it's turned on. But this card is not the smallest card. So we do have the Asus TUF RTX 4080 here, which is actually the same design as the 4090. Just looking at the size difference, actually it is slightly smaller. The fans are smaller, and thinner, and the Asus fans are much more deeper, so you're gonna get slightly smaller graphics card, and the biggest difference is probably the width here. Let's take another graphics card here for comparison. This is Zotac RTX 3090 Ti. So looking at the cards, this one looks not that bad, but what I do notice is if we look from the side, the actual heatsink is much deeper than the 3090 Ti. So I'm wondering if this pulls more than 450 watts. And now TDP really is 300 and something watts or something like that. So we're not pushing 400 watts through. So this Zotac card is actually pushing so much more power through, but it's got much skinnier thermal design in terms of the heat sinks. As you can see here, this is much deeper than this on the Zotac here. We have 6 heat pipes here, what I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we look at the Asus card here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 heat pipes on the Asus design. Obviously, this RTX 4080 is a little bit over-engineered, cooler design compared to what it actually pulls watts. This again, even this heatsink kind of looks deeper than the Asus one. So if you look like underneath, you can see here, it is a very thick card. And look at the heatsink here. And also, interestingly, if you look at the PCB design, then there is not a lot of blow through of the card. The last fan of the card here is still blowing on the PCB actually. It's not going through. So if you look at the 4080, which ends in here, the last fan is pretty much just a blow through design. Whereas in here, we don't have that. We have maybe an inch in the end there that is blow through. Similar to the Zotac design here, we don't have a lot of blow through of the design. So let me see, what is this backplate design? And then is this just literally gonna... Okay, so it's like a bit of a cover that goes on top. As you can see, this RGB will be shining this kind of skull through there. It's pretty cool design in terms of it doesn't slide around a lot, and it gives you the option to kind of customize your graphics card. So you can buy, I think, a few different versions of these, or the back plates here as well can be a few different versions. So you can kind of, you know, make your graphics card different, so you're not gonna have the same graphics card. Anyway, so that's the card, and now the testing stats. Thanks guys for watching, and check out the PC build guides in the description below if you want to save some money and get the best PC for your money. See you soon. Bye bye.
And like that,